Hello Banaras, I am Dr. A.K. Kaushik, Chairman Popular Group of Hospitals. Today we are into the cath lab of Popular Hospital. We are here for a special purpose. We are going to do a special procedure with the help of Boston Scientific people. They have brought a special machine and we are going to perform the procedure which is not being done in Varanasi and adjoining area except metropolitan cities. So today is the day of recognition for Popular Hospital, who has brought a special technology for the Janta of Purvanchal, especially those who are suffering from cardiological disorders, where we need CABG bypass surgery, and that procedure is being done by angioplasty now, the easier procedure. Dr. Hari Kishan, who is heading the Department of Cardiology, Popular Hospital, and now I just want to give a recognition that Professor P.R. Gupta, who is the head of Department Cardiology BHU, is with us, and two people who has come from all the way from Delhi. They are Mr. Deepak and Mr. Mangalam, who has come with the machine and giving the special training program for the whole team. Now over to Dr. Hari Kishan for briefing about the procedure.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Hari Kishan Srivastava, working as an interventional cardiologist in a Popular hospital. So friends, basically we are today facing a lot of complex patients who have complex lesion morphology while doing the angiography. In approximately 20 to 30% of the patients, we see that calcium is present which is not recognized during the angiography. So today we did a similar case in which lesion was calcified in one of the branches of the coronary artery, and we did it successfully using the rotablation and imaging methodology using the IVUS machine. The rotablation helps in better lesion modification and thus better stent expansion, which ultimately leads to good outcome for the patient both in short term and the long term, thus improving the survival of the patient and improve the quality of the life of the patient. So it's not necessary to refer the patient to higher centers in Lucknow and Delhi. We can do these similar procedures in Varanasi itself and thus help the people of Varanasi. Thank you.
हम लोग पॉपुलर हॉस्पिटल के कैथ लैब में बैठे हुए हैं और डॉक्टर हरि कृष्ण श्रीवास्तव जो कि ये सारे प्रोसीजर एडवांस प्रोसीजर करते हैं सक्सेसफुली। अभी आपको बताया कि पूर्वांचल की जनता को कैसे नए उपकरणों से लाभ पहुंचाया जा सकता है, और यहाँ पर पूरा टीम बैठा हुआ है। अब इस तरह के प्रोसीजर हम लोग रेगुलर बेसिस पर पॉपुलर हॉस्पिटल में करेंगे, और ऐसे केसेस जो कि बाईपास सर्जरी की जरूरत पड़ती थी, अब वो वहाँ न जाकर लखनऊ, दिल्ली, बॉम्बे कहीं ना जाकर के उनका हम लोग मॉडिफाइड वे में इस मशीन से ऑपरेशन करेंगे। और बाकी जो बहुत सीवियर लीजन होंगे जिसमें बिल्कुल ये एंजियोप्लास्टी की जरूरत है, उन्हीं को केवल हमें यहाँ से भेजना पड़ेगा। और इसका सबसे बड़ा एडवांटेज है कि कोमॉर्बिड कंडीशन, किसी को बाईपास किया ही नहीं जा सकता बिकॉज ऑफ डायबिटीज, एज फैक्टर, हाइपरटेंशन, किडनी डिजीज, एनी अदर कोमॉर्बिड कंडीशन, उसमें उस कंडीशन के लिए विधि वरदान में है, और ये इसका लाभ पूर्वांचल और आसपास की जनता वाराणसी को विशेष रूप से प्राप्त होगा। और
So you can see we have rota wire in the coronary, okay, and this tiny bullet you are able to see here, which is rotating at very high speed. When I'm talking very high speed, it means it is rotating somewhere between 1,50,000 RPM to 2 lakh RPM in the coronary. So this is a diamond coated burr. So this burr, or this special bullet which is there in coronary, is coated with the diamond dust. So there are 2,800 particles on this burr, which is rotating and cutting calcium in coronary, and that's how we are cleaning the vessel so that stent can go inside, bed preparation is better, and stent can be expanded well, and definitely there will be improvement in the quality of life of patient. Now on the right hand side you can see other modality, which is latest generation imaging technique. We call it intravascular ultrasound. So this is high definition intravascular ultrasound. Now what we are doing with the help of this technique, we are sending a tiny scanner in the coronary, and that tiny scanner is scanning the heart coronaries, and we are looking at the coronary within the vessel. So this is telling us how much plaque is there, which kind of plaque is there, whether plaque is significant or not, and what kind of stent we need to put, what will be the exact diameter, what will be the length of stent. And even after putting the stent in coronary, we can check whether stent is well dilated, well opposed, so that there will be a nice expansion of the stent, and definitely it will lead to good outcomes.
When we are celebrating the new procedures in difficult cases and in cases with comorbid conditions. With comorbid conditions, the procedure is usually difficult, and sometimes we send the patient for bypass surgery to higher centers. Now, with these procedures, we can bypass surgery and do this procedure in Varanasi itself.